Welcome back to AutoMarket, where today we're talking about car ownership, but not just about the shiny price tag on the windscreen. Oh no, we're going in from the moment you get those keys to every trip to the pump. Buckle up as we break down the real expense of owning a car. Spoiler alert, there's more to it than you think. First up, let's talk about the total cost of ownership, because on top of the purchase price, you've got insurance, maintenance, fuel, and let's not forget depreciation. Unfortunately, your car's value will go down every passing day. You think you've got the full picture of car ownership costs? Think again. Beyond that initial price tag lies a maze of ongoing expenses, insurance premiums that vary like the seasons, the maintenance costs, the regular fill-ups, and of course, depreciation, the silent value thief. Every car from agile hatchbacks to that big SUV carries its unique set of financial commitments. Understanding these costs makes you much more informed about car ownership. Now onto insurance. It's not just about finding a deal, it's about finding the right deal for you. Insurance costs in the UAE will depend on your car, your driving history, and even where you live. Our tip? Shop around and don't be shy about it. It's your money, your wallet will thank you later. Diving into car insurance can feel like navigating a maze, but it's all about finding that perfect fit. Your vehicle's make and model, your driving record, and even your area play a pivotal role in determining your rates. The secret? Comparison shopping. It's not just about snagging the lowest price, it's about discovering the best value for your needs. And it's time to go out and find an insurance policy that protects and respects your budget. So try a few comparison sites, compare quotes and policy offerings, and then you'll have a good idea of the average cost. Don't be afraid to haggle, even if it's a secure breakdown or windscreen cover. Let's hit the garage and the petrol station. Regular checkups and the right fuel can mean the difference between a car that runs and one that, well, doesn't. Maintenance and fuel costs can add up, but with smart choices and regular care, you can keep this trip to the mechanics and the pump as little as possible. One thing is clear, prevention is better than a cure. Regular visits to the service station and choosing the right fuel aren't just about upkeeping, they're investments in your vehicle's performance and efficiency. Yes, the costs do accumulate, but with the right decisions, you can significantly minimize those visits to mechanic and reduce your fuel expenses. Go easy on your car. We all like to let loose every now and again, but aggressive driving takes a toll on mechanical components and drains your fuel tank faster. It sounds obvious, but look after your car. If you hear unusual sounds or if it's not driving right, then get it checked out by a specialist garage. The last thing you want is a 500 dirham repair turning into a 5,000 dirham repair. Depreciation, the invisible cost. The moment you drive off, the value drops and it keeps dropping. But hey, that's car ownership. Well, unless you have a desirable classic. Some cars hold the value better than others, so do your homework before you buy it and consider how long you plan to keep it in your ride. Some vehicles are known to defy the odds, retaining their value far better than others. The key? Research and foresight. Before making that big purchase, investigate what models stand the test of time. Think about how long you tend to keep your vehicle. This simple consideration could be the make or break decision on whether you buy that car or not. Various models have different levels of depreciation. If you're not sure and you want a rough guide, just look up your make and model from 3 or 5 years ago and see how much it has dropped. Obviously, if that particular model was available back then. Owning a car is a journey filled with expenses that come when you least expect it. But with little knowledge and some savvy planning, you can manage the financials somewhat easier. At the end of the day, it's not just about getting from A to B, it's about enjoying the ride without breaking the bank. Well, I hope you found these insights helpful. If you have questions or more topics you're curious about, then let us know. Until next time, keep those engines running, sweet, and your adventures rolling. Catch you on the next one.